autonomous state. No autonomous state. Handbrake longevity. Handbrake longevity. Efficiency long live. Efficiency long live. Efficiency long live. J Qatar long live. J Qatar long live. Efficiency long live. Efficiency long live. J Qatar long live. J Qatar long live. Sheikh Sidhu long live. Sheikh Sidhu long live. Sheikh Sidhu long live. No autonomous state. No autonomous state.
Ilang tum dak claim mun pusili tum phan administration tum SP pen chenglok DC pen chenglok magistrate tum nang chu bailo sidanil tum ka chu bai puchini lor si alu na paklangoi election commission tum yang sila bangso circular a notice do je really claim long lep lon paklang noi kumase alang tum nang paklang tek de lo APSL se songja tum phan lasinil tum really claim de lo achun de lo amria rat kami nang cerak tum ko sini ni tum ning ke pan al Asamis.
What is the purpose of your having mass rally here today?
The All Party Hills Leader Conference, under the initiative of 20 SD Vothatlangso, has taken a decision, supervised by the Central Committee of APSLC, to host a rally in all the 9 constituencies. So, from all this, from yesterday we started in Duaramla. In yesterday rally also the district administration and the Assam Police, CRPF, they tried to block our rally. Unconditionally.
What is the reason that they showed for blocking?
They have been telling us that there is election going on, assembly election going on in the Meghalaya state. So for that, the election commission has sent a notification to the district administration not to host any democratic protest in the Assam itself. So we request the administration to produce the notice of the election commission, but they could not produce us. So it is totally violating our democratic process. So in AMRI constituency, we totally complete the rally today with a very successful and with a few gatherings today. We may have not mass gathering today, but there are a lot of APSL supporters from the AMRI constituency. We know very well. So in the coming days also we will continue our rally in all the 9 constituency from Jinthong to Amreng, from Amreng to Bitung Rangkhama, from Rangkhama to all the Soseng and Hamren constituency. Even in Kopli constituency we are going to have that mass rally. And we want to tell to the people of India, people of all the Karbi Anglong and the NC Hills that we are demanding our rights. And we are not demanding our right. That doesn't mean that we are depriving the others community. We are also destroying others community. That is not true. We are constitutionally demanding our rights. Articles 244A, state within state, it was inserted in the Constitution of India in 1969. Now the new development has turned up. In Nagaland itself, Eastern Nagaland demand has been now in the peak hours. In Kamatapur, now they started to raise. Now in Kachar, the Baragweli, the Bongalis, they have now taken the semi-secretariat. Semi means it is a semi-state, so they have taken autonomous state, which should be given to the Karbi and the Hills tribe people. But it was not given, it was not taken serious by the government of India and also the state government of Assam.